Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. In today's video, I'll be using Honeybee Stamps Opulent layering frames, their Heart Hugs honeycut dies, their foiled Fluttering hearts die, and also You're a Keeper stamps and coordinating honeycut dies. I selected one of the Opulent layering frames, cut it out of some black pearlescent cardstock, then using the next size down in the set, I ran it through my machine, so now I have this fun cutout and a beautiful black pearlescent frame. I've already hot foiled the background using this beautiful sparkle magenta glimmer foil, and I foiled it on some plain black cardstock. The bright pink looks so pretty on that black background. I didn't get the perfect impression, some of those hearts aren't completely solid, but I still really like the look. I'll layer the foiled background piece on the same black pearlescent cardstock. The cardstock I use for the hot foiling is just a plain matte, so there is a difference between that and the black pearlescent cardstock. I attached my card front onto a card base using some ATG tape. Now it's time to work with this beautiful frame. Flip it over and I'll add some of Honeybee Stamps black thin foam strips. It's so nice they have the option of black or white. I'll get good coverage all around that outside of the frame. Remove the release paper. Next I'll attach a piece of vellum, and I've already cut it down to fit behind this frame. Once I've laid that on my foam adhesive, I'll press it in place. Next I'll put some Honeybee Stamps precision tip glue on the very back side. I'll also add a little bit of a glue in the center toward the lower area of the frame. And I'm only doing that because I'm adding an image there. I don't want that glue to show through on the vellum. This card will be featuring one of the adorable hedgehog critters that's included with the Heart Hugs die set. And I couldn't resist making a pink hedgehog. I used a brighter pink cardstock for the quills and a light pink cardstock for the body. My little hedgehog will be holding a magenta colored heart, and this magenta mirror cardstock matches the glimmer foil beautifully. I'll adhere the body onto that back quill piece. Since I'm not very good at getting a tiny bit of glue using Honeybee Stamps glue, I did switch to Barely Art glue. It has that super fine tip, and I used it for the eyes. I'm also using an embellishment wand to pick up those teeny tiny die cut pieces and then pressing them in place. This little hedgehog is absolutely adorable. And there really aren't that many pieces, so they're easy to assemble. And I love how you can add an item into its arms to hold. Once my little hedgehog is all assembled, I'll put some glue on the back and adhere her toward the lower portion of that black frame. Next, I'll add the sentiment Happy Heart Day, and I've already stamped and cut this out. I love this sentiment. It's nice to have something different than always Happy Valentine's Day. Put some adhesive on the back and glue the sentiment right below my little hedgehog. For embellishments, I'm adding a few of the Happy Hearts gem stickers. Put them in the upper right-hand corner of that frame. Then for a final finishing touch, I'll add some highlights to my hedgehog using a white gel pen. So there is my finished card, and I did end up making a total of 2. I donate a lot of my cards, and I find it just as easy to make 2 as it is to make 1 card. The hot foil background is absolutely beautiful, super pink and sparkly. The videos and pictures don't do it justice. If you are interested in any of the products I used in this video, I do have links provided in the description box below. The Heart Hugs die set has already been super popular amongst the Honeybee Stamps design team since it's adorable. It's also a great set to use year-round. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.